Imagine a world where every connection is secure, every transaction is shielded, and every device works together to protect what matters most. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that future is already here, and it's transforming how we think about security in ways we couldn't have dreamed of before. Today, security isn't about building walls or locking doors. It's about weaving an intricate web of protective mesh that adapts, learns, and evolves. It's like giving your digital world its very own immune system, ready to fight off threats wherever they appear. Think about it. In a time when we're more connected than ever, the stakes are higher. From our homes to our workplaces, from the devices in our hands to the satellites in orbit. Security can no longer be an afterthought. It's the foundation of trust, innovation, and progress. What's so exciting is the power this new approach gives us. It's not just about defending, it's about empowering. Empowering businesses to innovate without fear, empowering individuals to live their lives freely in a digital-first world, and empowering societies to thrive in an era defined by technology. Imagine logging in, connecting, or even collaborating across the globe, knowing that every move you make is safeguarded. Imagine a world where innovation isn't stifled by risk, but fueled by confidence in a resilient and secure foundation. This isn't just about technology, it's about redefining what's possible. It's about building a future where security doesn't hold us back, but propels us forward. And as we step into this new era, remember, the power of a connected, secure world is in our hands. So, are you ready to be a part of this revolution? Let's shape a future where innovation and security go hand in hand.